Good afternoon, everyone. Uh, before before starting our topic, I would like to make the session interactive. So I would like to ask you a few questions. Before that, I would also want to say that this topic is very close to the heart of the engineer sitting here. Uh, uh, how many of you all drink water? What about fruit juice? Water. What about fruit juice? Okay. Now, going level further up, what about fruit beer? No? Okay, beer? After looking at this picture, what first comes to your mind? The two person enjoying their party with drinks. But the world constantly ignores the negative side of it. Okay, finally, I want to, without delay, I want to disclose a topic that is alcoholism. What do you mean by alcoholism? What's its basic definition? Alcoholism is an excessive consumption of alcohol or a state of mind of a person who consumes alcohol frequently. The actual facts, solutions, effects, and causes will be explained by group members. So I would like to call upon Rahul Tiwari on stage.
So we gathered some important causes why the people drink alcohol, and we talked to our generation that why they prefer consuming alcohol. So the common answer we got is the alcohol gives happiness. They give pleasures. So for sake of happiness and pleasure, they tend towards the alcohol. And the other reason could be like one person was saying that the real problem in their life, they are unable to face the problems in their life. So say they want a solution for that, so they are moving toward the temporary solution what they are getting. So बोलते हैं कि we are not drinking for life, मतलब सिर्फ जिंदगी गुजारने के लिए पी रहे हैं. This kind of the stuff we hear from the people, and some people, the students consume alcohol for peer pressure, in the influence of peer pressures. So what is in the alcohol that gives a happiness? Alcohol does the certain aspect of any person, like it will bring its consciousness to unconsciousness and give some amount of time to have a relax and just stay away from his commercial or problematic life, so that the person who is can't sing in the bathroom goes away on the street and start dancing and singing all the way. So the more detailed view is given by my colleague friend.
So currently many people, currently my friends have discussed about what is alcohol and what are the major causes of alcohol. I'd like to continue in this context by adding some more points. So I'd like to play audio. You guess a song. Can you guess it? Can you guess the song? It's Char Bottle Vodka. It's very famous song. And what is the effect of such songs on our society? Basically, such songs lead to make the people think that drinking alcohol is cool, and they try it out. They try it on their own business. So first and second factor is direct causes. As you can see in this picture, one of the most famous actors and many actors are promoting the many brands of alcohol, which gradually leads to increase in consumption of alcohol in young people. These people follow their role models and try to copy them in their original life. As a result, um, as a result, they are more addicted to alcohol and all of the stuff. So I would like to add one more point. Even on dry days, every Mumbaiker knows that they can land in a big problem if they are caught drunk while driving. But even after that, many people even on the dry day they are caught drunk while driving. What is the basic? What are the? This is a fact that makes things clear that the effect of alcohol is so much on our Indian society. So I would like to add what are the effects of alcohol, consumption of alcohol on us. As you can see in this picture, these children are ignored or abused. What is the reason behind them? The reason behind them are the parents consuming alcohol and becoming unconscious, losing their present state or conscious state. And such parents are not able to make their children's problems solve and are unable to take proper care of them. So this not only leads to their more psychological problems in their early life, but also makes them vulnerable to many other addictions in their later life. So I would like to present this topic. My fellow friend will explain the doctor.
Good evening, guys. Actually, I have taken a video of a doctor who has said us how to prevent alcoholism. Okay, so I'll just show you the video.
The preventive measures for the alcoholism or alcohol addict patients. The government has taken a lot of steps. There are NGOs who have taken a lot of good steps. As a human being, as a society person, we should have some of our own responsibilities. For example, we should take these patients to the different centers where the good doctors and good NGOs, they teach them how to leave alcohol. There are few medications are also there by the specialized doctors they give. Plus, they should be motivated even by the family people to leave alcohol and get back to the normal work. In this, there are many more NGOs who usually give support to leave the alcohol. There are psychiatrists mainly. Psychiatrists, they help these these patients and their relatives to leave alcohol, and they give a proper kind of therapy, treatment to these patients.
Guys, the video is too long, but I will explain this in our further slides also. Guys, we have basically 3 alcohol solutions. We have distributed in three parts. First is religion, second is counseling and therapy, third is holistic approach. Okay, if you go towards religion, means like many people follow the religion, and in few religions it has been stated that alcohol consumption is not allowed in the religion. Few people follow it, few people don't follow it. If you would ask me one example who is following, I would just give you an example of Hashim Amla. From every of his match fees, around 20 to 30% of his match fee has been cutted just because he is not using the logo of alcohol sponsor on his t-shirt. Okay, so it is not effective on all. It means like few people won't go Okay. Next is like counseling or therapy. Many people go to rehabs and go for therapy to the psychiatrist. They might take their advice or they will follow for till few weeks. But what about the other life or the remaining life? Okay, I have two rehabs. Means like one is Mrutangan and second is alcoholism and anonymous. Okay, alcoholism anonymous, this is the best thing, but it gives you, it can take care of you and it can make sure that you stop consuming alcohol, but they will do it free of cost and they won't disclose your identity also. Okay, the third point is holistic approach, means like doing yoga, doing exercises, taking proper care. Okay, and now means like this thing help, but main thing is our family. Our family members should help each other. If any parent comes to know that my son is or my daughter is consuming alcohol, he or she has to make sure that their children doesn't consume alcohol. Even if parents are consuming, children are there, they have to say them that please dad, please mom, stop consuming alcohol. This is not good. Now we are the future. Now we have to make sure that we all stop all these things. Okay. Now finally means like we go to the conclusion that you have to control towards alcoholism. Don't control alcoholism towards you. There are many, you know that Gujarat is a this is dry state. Okay, so we can also start this, and in terms of advertisement, if they are showing any advertise about alcohol, so we can also show advertise which are against anti-alcohols or something like that. Few advertisements have been shown in our DD1 national. Okay, so our star Sony has also should also go for it. Just like we will end our slideshow, it is a small conclusion like alcoholism is not a joke. And finally, my final slide is we should be as sanskari as him. It's like this is our sanskari Babuji. Yeah. Thank you.